Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone. I'm Akansha Arora, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Study. Productivity. It requires investment so that people must be enabled to increase their productivity, participate fully in the process of income generation and remunerative employment. Economic growth is therefore a subset of human development. Now we discuss about empowerment. Development must be by the people, not only for the people, focuses on education and health so that they must participate fully in the decisions and processes that shape their lives. Involvement in identifying, planning, and implementation of development programs. The Human Development Reports 1995 introduced two new measures of human development that highlighted the status of women. The first, Gender Related Development Index, and second measures, Gender Employment Measures, GDI, Gender Related Development Index. Average achievement adjusts to gender inequalities, estimating females and male earned income, females and males' share of economically active population, and the greater the gender disparity in basis capabilities, the lower a country GDP compared with its HDI. Now we discuss about GEM, gender inequality in three dimensions: economic, participation and decision making, and political participation and decision making again, power over economic resource. While GDI focuses on expansion of capabilities, the GEM is concerned with the use of those capabilities to take advantage of the opportunities of life. Details are annually published in the United Nations Human Development Reports. The HDI attempts to rank all countries on scale of 0 and 1. While HDI average achievements, the GDI adjusts the average achievement to reflect the inequalities between men and women. The three components used for the purpose are female life expectancy, next female adult literacy and gross enrollment ratio, and last was female per capita income. If gender inequality did not exist, the value of GDI and HDI would be the same. But if gender inequality exists, the value of GDI would be the lower than that of HDI. The greater difference between HDI and GDI, the greater is the gender inequality. Near gender equality exists in Norway, Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Japan, etc. That's all from my side, and I hope this lecture will help you understand this topic in well manner. For watching more videos like this and getting knowledge, you subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.